Today I'm changing transmission oil in this 2003 Mazda MPV. First thing I would do is to check the transmission fluid quality, how it looks like. I will not change the fluid if the transmission fluid is black and thick or if the transmission has any serious problem. Next thing I would do is to check the transmission fluid level with the engine stopped and running, and I would make a note of both of them. The transmission fluid drain plug is located at the bottom of transmission on driver's side. I used 14mm socket to loosen the plug. Then I used my hand to remove the plug completely and let the fluid drain in an oil pan. To go underneath the vehicle, I did not have to jack it up as my hand could easily reach the drain plug. If your hand does not reach the plug, then make sure to securely jack up the vehicle before reaching underneath. I will make sure the drain plug is not worn and the O-ring on it is not damaged. So after the fluid is out, I will put the drain plug back in the transmission and tighten it with the wrench. Now I will add the recommended transmission fluid through the dipstick tube. I will add the same amount of fluid that came out. I will check the fluid to make sure it is at the same level where it was before I drained the old fluid and when the engine was off. I will start the engine now and shift through the gears a few times. And check for any leaks underneath. Then I will drive the vehicle for about 10 minutes, come back and check my fluid level and quality. If it's still dirty, I will repeat the process. Normally after 2 or 3 times it should be good enough. This method, when we drain the fluid, the complete transmission fluid does not come out. It's probably maybe 40%, 50%, I don't know, but it's not 100% fluid that comes out. That's why you have to repeat the process 2 or 3 times until you see clean fluid. After I drain the fluid the 3rd time, which is my last time, before adding any transmission fluid, I will add transmission additive. This helps transmission stop slipping or at least less slipping, and it also takes care of small leaks. Then I will add the fluid final time and make sure the level is correct. Dipstick usually has a mark where the level is safe. Every time I drained and refilled oil, I shifted through the gears and drove the vehicle for about 10 minutes so the old and new fluids get mixed properly. So the transmission fluid is good on my vehicle now. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.